to take photo of x-rays, and the other is to take a photo of package in front of your door. Take photo of different head poses, laughing poses, smiling poses. You can take your own photos by smiling, laughing, speaking, and posing as a neutral. When you take photo of these tasks, you will get paid.
Hello everyone, welcome again. This is your boy Aki with another latest way to make money with. If you want to get passive online income video or how to get money from home, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, and also smash the like button and get ready for the video. If you have comments, suggestion or question, let me know in the comment section. Keep watching up to the end so you don't miss any steps.
Go to Play Store and search for MicroWorks, and this application is the application that we will see today. And install the application and open. When you open the application, there is a button that says create an account. Touch the create an account button and set your email and the password. Your password must be at least 8 characters with at least 1 lowercase and 1 uppercase, 1 digit and 1 special character. Then if you fill these 2 blank space, touch the create an account button. Then after you create the account, then sign into your account. When you sign into your account, the captcha will come and you should have to verify that you are not robot. When you pass the captcha, the application will locate your position. As you can see, my location has been detected. Then there are many tasks. As you can see, there are some kind of brands. As you can see, there is a brand with the name. Then if you got this brand and take the photo, for each photo you will be paid $0.1. As you can see, photo of the other brand, this also will pay you 0.1 for each photo you take. The other task is to take photo of x-rays, and the other is to take a photo of package in front of your door. The other is head poses. Take photo of different head poses. When you touch head poses, laughing poses, smiling poses, you can take your own photos by smiling, laughing, speaking, and posing as a neutral. When you take photo of these tasks, you will get paid $0.05 for each photo you take and approved. Then if you go to logos, there is some kinds of logos. As you can see, the logos will pay you $0.1 for each photo you take. After you take the photo and submit it, there are 3 options. There is pending option, and then if they approve your image, they will pay you. If it is rejected, your image goes to rejected box. When you touch the 3-line button, you will see home, all tasks, earning. When you touch earning, there is add Ethereum address button and Coinbase. You can get paid through Ethereum address and Coinbase. Then I will choose Coinbase because Coinbase is most easy way to be paid out. You can see your photo statics and the survey statics. As you can see, approved photos are placed in here and rejected photos are placed in rejected box. So let us take one image. As you can see, there are face photos that we have to take in the paid. Now I will try one. When you do the task, the description will be followed. As the description says, you should have to take as the description says. If you are not, the photo will be rejected. As you can see, I have sent them 3 of the photo I have taken, and then they have approved 1, and in pending status there is 3. As you can see, in my earning tab there is $0.05 because 1 photo of mine was accepted or approved. So there are 3 pending photos. When they approved, the money will be credited to my account. As you can see, one of image is approved and the two of the images are rejected. So my wallet is credited with $0.1 and the rejected image will not credit me the money. So this method is perfect way to get passive income.
So that's it everyone, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you how to earn. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Stay cool and have a great day.